Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Now left me 3-star. Full story. In Cooling Spring, Hope Bay, Portland, there were 2 cousins living in a house. One night, they were up late until 3 in the morning, talking on the phone to their spouses. They were home laying in their beds in their room when they heard the dog barking. A little after, they saw 3 duppy-looking figures that looked like 2 men and a woman walk right through their room door. One sat on a chair that was beside one of the beds, and the other 2 went over to each of the beds, stood over the girls, and started to strangle them. The duppy woman said to one of the cousins that if you don't kill me, I'll kill you, only one of us leaving out here alive tonight. She said that she remembered that she had a 3-star beside her that she used to peel mango earlier. She said when she grabbed the knife it expanded into a sword, and she pushed it Ina, the duppy woman. The duppy woman cried out and disappeared into thin air. The other 2 duppies saw what happened and ran back through the door. For the rest of the night, they didn't sleep a bit, they were scared. This happened in 2014. Like and follow for more.